What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. So today, as some of y'all saw, I did get Evo Furnace, and we'll be trying him out. I did switch him for Ice Spirit, and yeah, we're gonna be trying him out even though the season is about to end. Wait, first let's claim our rewards. I've been saving this chest to see if I got something good. Well, those are like I don't think we'll get much good stuff, but I guess I can open those like on my free time, But we'll get started and be playing. So we'll see how good he is. Okay, Viper. Okay, 8 years. Okay, say thanks. Okay, same position. Okay. Let's do that. Okay, hopefully that gets firecracker. Okay, Furnace is out. Oh, one hit. Oh. I'm not too happy with that, but I got Ice Wizard. Okay, we got that. Goblin bar. Alright, we got some good damage. Okay, night, okay. Oh, that's tower. Oh, let's go. Let's do a quick load. Let's try the brand new emo. I just got this one. By the way, guys, let me know if y'all think I should get Baby Dragon's Evo for the next season. If you guys want that, let me know, and maybe I'll think about it, Okay, so since we're already winning, I say let's do this, but let's use her ability. Okay, Mega. Okay, let's do that. Oh, shit. Okay, my tower might be in trouble here. Oh, okay. That is not what I wanted.
It can't be! No!
Okay, well, we now can try Evo Furnace, so let's see how good he'll be. I did get a lot of damage. Hopefully he doesn't put his troops like on the front of my tower. Because if he does, well, I might as well just say GG's, because he does have Mega Knight, but I highly doubt he has Elixir. Okay, I knew it. Okay. As long as my archer queen, we should be chilling. Okay, we got that out of the way. As I expected. Ooh, I'll activate King. Oh no, King Tower already. Okay, we'll defend this Mega Knight like that. Okay, we Mega Knight's out. Let's see if Goblin there. Okay, somewhat of a bad position, but I thought we got sudden death. Okay. We'll defend it this way. I'll use my. Okay. Okay, Mega Knight back at it. Okay, as long as he's not out, okay. We should be chilling. We got 2 furnaces. Okay, it's not looking good, but it's not looking bad either. It's not looking good, I'm not sure that's okay. But let's get us a little snowball. Let's go furnace to get his things activated. Space. Oh my, okay, I see what I did there. Okay, but I am winning on damage so far. And I am on level 12 King Tower, so I guess at this point we'll just be defending, if I'm correct. Okay. We should be good to go. predict something. Okay. Evil Furnace. Okay. Actually, let's get his tower down. We're going for that 3 crown. Okay, we gotta make sure. Oh my, that might be tower. Oh my, he's defending good, but that 3 crown might just be mine. Okay. We got enough. Oh, hopefully you got it. Oh, let's go. Wait, 3 crown.
I might slide up to your block with intelligence. I'm a genius with the Glock. There's some relevance.
We did in fact get it. We did it. Alright. Okay. Let's do lead cards. And I think Evil Furnace is a pretty good Evil, in my opinion. I cycled him 4 times, and I get maybe 6 times because I got to use his Evo 2 times. And I think he's really good. And let me know if my deck is good, if it's gay, if it's ass. Let me know down in the comments. And I think we'll leave it till then, and I'll see you on the next one.